Do you know where the cat is?
No, but if you leave her alone, she's more likely to interact with you.
Hey Sasha, do you know where the cat is?
No.
Kitty!
Oh, kitty, you're so fluffy and you're so soft. Wait, no, cat, come back. What? No, get back here. Cat! Come here, cat.
Kitty!
Why?
Oh, yeah, kitty! Come here!
Huh? What? No. Fine, I'll play dirty. You can play that game.
No! She's my kitty! Kitty! Fine, I'll play dirty too. I got you, you're so cute!
What? No. Get back here. She likes me better and you know it.
Oh no, she's my kitty. I'm her mommy. She likes me. She likes staying in my room so much better. Oh, she wants to stay with me. She's my cute little poopy paws. She's mine.
Yeah, yeah.